Starting a small business can feel overwhelming, but LegalZoom makes the process much simpler with their all-in-one startup services. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use LegalZoom to start your small business from scratch, step by step. First, go to LegalZoom.com and select Start a Business from the top menu. LegalZoom will ask what type of business structure you want to form. Most small business owners choose an LLC for liability protection and tax flexibility, but you can also select a corporation or sole proprietorship, depending on your needs. Once you pick your structure, LegalZoom will walk you through a simple questionnaire to gather details like your business name, address, and ownership setup. After that, LegalZoom checks if your chosen name is available in your state. If it's taken, they will suggest alternatives. You will also be prompted to add important services like an operating agreement, EIN, filing, and registered agent services. These are optional, but for most small businesses, they're highly recommended to stay compliant and fully functional from day one. Once you have completed the steps and paid the fees, LegalZoom takes care of the rest. They will file your paperwork with the state, notify you when your business is approved, and store your documents in your online account. This means no legal confusion and no paperwork delays, just a smooth launch. From there, you can also explore add ons like tax advice, business license assistance, or trademark filing, depending on your goals. LegalZoom is especially useful for new entrepreneurs who want a guided experience without hiring a lawyer. If this video helped you understand how to get started with your small business on LegalZoom, make sure to like it and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have questions about choosing the right structure or setting up your documents, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out in a future video.